we shall speak about interesting things. By the way, have you mobile phones? Dilara, have you mobile phone? Yes, I have that. Have you, Dilara, mobile phone? Sit down, please. Everybody has a mobile phone today, yes? Let's think, let's remember, when was it invented? When was it invented? Let's remember, когда он был изобретен? Ну как, сами смотрите.
1983.
Да, there's a... In 1983, the mobile phone was invented. In 1983. Dilara, when was the mobile phone invented? Repeat, please, repeat. When was it invented? It was invented 1983. Sit down. Please, Nigar, when was the mobile phone invented? The mobile phone. When, когда? When was it invented?
1983.
Full sentence, please. It was invented in 1983. Speak, please. Sekinat, repeat. It was invented.
It was invented 1983.
Sit down, please. Thank you. 20th century. Yes? Значит, we can say that 20th century is the century of science and technology. Everybody knows that the 20th century is the century of science and technology because the science and technology was developing very fast. Yes, very fast. Developing of science and technology. Now, the theme of our lesson, тема урока таким образом,
Science and technology.
Science and technology. By the way, sinere, Latin word, means знать, да? Без латыни sinere, знать. That it is the Latin word. Yes? Latin word. Let's speak about, let's have some phonetic exercise. Phonetic exercise. You have sheets, листочки перед вами sheets. Let's have a phonetic exercise. Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Repeat after me. This is sciences, yes? Some sciences. Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Biology.
Biology.
Linguistics.
Linguistics.
Psychology.
Psychology.
Meteorology.
Meteorology.
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Etc.
Etc.
Мне нужно повторять, говорит, так. Niga, read please, what have you on your sheet? Read. Sit down, read please.
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Physics. Biology. Botany. Linguistics.
Louder, please, louder.
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Yurzalif, louder, please. Погромче, read please. Louder. Chemistry.
Physics, biology, botany, linguistics, psychology, mathematics, history, astronomy, meteorology,
Geography. Astronomy, geography. Now, when you hear the word science and technology, what occurs to your mind? Write on the blackboard, please. Write. Когда вы слышите слово науки и технологии, какие ассоциации у вас? Надо написать на доске одно слово. Каждый из вас. Пожалуйста. Come to the blackboard and write one word. And write one word on the blackboard. What word occurs to your mind when you hear the word science and technology? Come, Sekinat, come. One word, write down on the blackboard. On the blackboard, please, one word. Одно слово, которое вызывает у вас какие-то ассоциации с словами наука и технологии. Thank you. Sit down, please. Read, please.
Invention.
Sit down, please. What is invention, Dilara? Invention. Изобретение. Sit down, please. Еще чарасикам. Quick, please. Побыстрее, quicker. А почему? Хамид Марин директор с презентацией замкнул. Please, what is the word? Astronomy. Sit down, please. Далее, go, come. Садыков, come. Read, please. Biology. A mistake. Read mistake. Why? Why? Any mistake? No, there is no mistake. Now, who else? Who will come to the blackboard? Come, please. Come to the blackboard, please. Say Safilova. Quicker. Кооперативник, quicker. Sit down, please. Inara, come. Read, please, Safilova. Read. Television, that's right, television. Computer, television, telephone, mobile phone. These words occur to our mind when we think about science and technology. Read, please. Sit down, please, thank you. Telephone. Who else? Dilara, have you written? Come. Quicker, please. Mathematics, sit down, please. You have written invention. What is invention? Изобретение. And we have one more word, discovery. What is discovery? Открытие, discovery. What is the difference between two words? Invention and discovery. What is invention?
Invention when people invent something new.
Something new. For example,
A telephone, radio,
television, a mobile phone, something new. That's right. Sit down, please. Now, what is discovery? How can you understand the word discovery? Открытие. What is discovery? Nigar? Discovery?
Radio, television,
No, it's invention. They were invention. And what is discovery, Sakina?
When people discover some new, for example, the law of gravitation.
Some new laws. Законы, да? Some new laws. The law of gravitation, for example. Sit down, please. Sit down. The two words, discovery and invention. Now, we shall speak about word building. And you have, look at the blackboard, please. Look at the blackboard. The aim of our lesson. We have a name. У нас есть цель, да? Задача практиковать английский. To practice our English, discussing our attitude towards science and technology, to study new facts, to summarize your own position about. Study new facts. Let us study new facts. Look at the blackboard, please. Так. The developing of science and technology have good and bad points. Yes, good and bad points. What are the good points? For example, read please. Who will read? Did not do that. So cannot read please to the production,
The production of power,
Gothic, architecture,
the new roads, the
Renaissance,
science and technology, better living standards, weapons of mass
destruction,
natural
resources, advantages of high technology. Name bad points. Bad points. For example, bad points. Weapons of mass destruction. Оружие массового поражения. Значит, есть плюсы, есть минусы у развития, да, технологического. Weapons of mass destruction. Орудие массового поражения. Так. Good points. Better living standards. Лучшие условия жизни, да, проживания. Так. Renaissance. Эпоха Возрождения. We shall speak about the Renaissance too. Так. The periods. You can see the periods. The Old Stone Age, каменный век. The New Stone Age, новый каменный век. The Bronze Age, бронзовый век. The Iron Age, железный век. Так. Now, the Middle Ages, средние века, изобретения, видите, средние века. Gothic architecture, так. Mills, windmills, ветряные мельницы. Renaissance, возрождение, вот. And the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution at the end of the 19th century. В конце 19 века. Индустриальная революция. Значит, средние века. Инара. Middle Ages. Возрождение. Renaissance, that's right. Индустриальная революция. Revolution, that's right. Now let's speak about Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Who is Isaac Newton? Do you know Isaac Newton? Yes, we do. Three great discoveries. The first discovery, первое открытие. The first discovery, Mirzaliyev, read please. The discoveries.
The discoveries of the differential
Calculuses. Дифференциальные исчисления. New words, заодно и новые слова. Differential calculuses. Дифференциальные исчисления. Кстати, на ваших карточках эти слова есть. Посмотрите. Read please them. Differential calculuses. Second, read please. Differential
calculuses.
Далее.
Integral calculuses.
Интегральные исчисления. Дальше. Ray. Это что у нас? Луч.
The law of gravitation.
Закон тяготения. Вот здесь есть эти термины, да? Далее, Мирзалиев. What laws? Еще какие? The nature
of white light.
Природу прозрачного света. Вот эти 7 цветов радуги Айзек Ньютон же открыл, да? Кто по физике знает. The law
of gravitation.
Да, 3 закона основные здесь, значит. Какие? Дифференциальные исчисления, природа света, белого света, прозрачного света и закон гравитации, закон всемирного тяготения. The law of gravitation. Repeat, Mirzaliyev. The law
of gravitation.
That's right. Inara, repeat please. The law of gravitation. That's right. Now read me the list. Many people saw
Many people saw
colors.
colors of a rainbow, but only Newton should
Show.
show
Многие...
by,
Так,
by his experiments that white light of this color.
многие люди видят цвета радуги, но только он показал, что белый свет среди этих цветов. То есть это рассеянный белый свет, который рассеивается на 7 цветов. Так, go on. Вот это радуга есть. Михаил Ломоносов. Now, Russian inventor, Russian scientist, Mikhail Lomonosov. Read please, what can we say about Mikhail Lomonosov? Belarus, please. Mikhail Lomonosov.
Mikhail Lomonosov is the father of Russian science and outstanding poet.
Everything is clear. Отец русской науки и выдающийся поэт. Так? Go on.
Lomonosov made a telescope.
Создал что? Вот, invention, yes, it is a great invention. Великое, значит, открытие, изобретение, то есть invention, так?
He wrote the first scientific grammar of the Russian language.
Первая научная грамматика русского, да? Scientific grammar of Russian. Go on.
Lomonosov was the founder of the first Russian language.
Основатель Российского университета. Лауда. Вот МГУ имени Ломоносова все же знают, так? Пожалуйста. Russian University. First Russian University. Now let's go on. Вот это и есть МГУ имени Ломоносова, да? First Russian University. You can be students of this university if you learn, study hard. Yes? Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison. Read about Thomas Edison. Who will read? Сейчас видно туда. Read, please.
Thomas Edison mother taught him at home and he read science books by himself.
Мама обучала его дома, так? На дому он обучался и сам читал научные книги, так? He made
a
phonograph.
The first ever sound record.
Recorder. Фонограф это тот, что записывает звук, да? Фонограф. Так, фонетика тоже же со звуком связано. Фонограф, запись звука. Go on, the first.
The first ever sound
Recorder.
The light bulb.
Вот это sound record, это звукозапись, да? Впервые звук записал. Recorder, тот, что записывает звук, это и есть фонограф. Тире вот стоит, видите? The light bulb, световая лампа, да? Прозрачная лампа, которой мы по сей день пользуемся. And a kinetoscope. Go on.
In 1882, New York was the first city of the world with electronic lines.
Translate, please, Чарахси.
В 1882 году Нью-Йорк
Был
первый город в мире, в котором
был электрический свет, да? Впервые электричество зажглось в Нью-Йорке. Go on. Edison.
Edison died at the age of 84. His
Она
owner the switch of these lines all over America.
Так, когда он умер, в его честь выключили свет по всей Америке, да? Вот такая вот чествование великого ученого. Alexander Popov, Russian inventor, Russian scientist. Who will read about Alexander Popov? Who will read about Alexander Popov? Исрафилова не видно оттуда? Так, Мерзалеев, you please, ты поближе к доске. Так, Alexander.
Alexander Popov is one of the
Great.
greatest Russian scientists.
Один из великих
Один из великих русских ученых.
Молодец, ученых, молодец. Go
He
on.
was born in
18. 59
59 in a small town.
in a small town.
Он,
Translate, please. Родился.
он родился в 1859 году в маленьком городе.
Go on. He liked.
He liked to learn very much. Он
Очень любил
очень
учиться.
любил
Учиться. Так.
учиться.
In
In
1882
he
graduated
graduated from the university in
St.
St.
Petersburg.
Petersburg.
And the main thing, the main fact, самый главный факт, radio, read please, radio,
Radio was invented in Russia
according to the Popov's
Popov's
work. Значит, кто изобрел радио? Who invented radio? Alexander Popov. Thank you, молодцы, go on, let's go on. Идем дальше. Michael Faraday, great scientist in the history of man's work in electricity. He was the scientist in the sphere of electricity, yes? Electricity, Michael Faraday. 2000 difficult experiments. 2000 экспериментов поставил. The creator of the electric motor. He invented electric motor. Let's go on. Albert Einstein. Так, four major research papers. The Brown in motion. Движение Брауна, да, по физике. Была у вас эта тема, движение Брауна? Quantum theorem of light, квантовая теория света, and the theory of relativity, теория относительности. Как будет теория относительности, Секина? Theory
of
relativity, теория относительности. Theory of relativity, квантовая теория света, quantum theory of light. Everything in physics. Королев, Сергей Павлович Королев. What can you say about Сергей Павлович Королев? The chief constructor of the first Earth Sputniks. Главный конструктор спутников, да, и кораблей. First Earth Sputniks and spaceships. Космические корабли. Так. 1957. The first Sputnik was launched into space. 57 год. Первый спутник запущен. На борту была собака, да? Та самая Лайка, помните? Про которую у нас как-то заходил разговор. Но здесь этого факта нет. Однако, 1957, the first Sputnik was launched into space with the dog on his board. Собакой на борту. Позднее, в 60-м, 1961, белка и стрелка, так? On board. Так, значит, 57 and 60, 57, 60, а потом, then Юрий Гагарин, 61, yes? 61. Значит, три даты. Вот она, лайка у нас. It's very important date, 1957. The first Sputnik, Королев, yes? Launched into space. 1960. The second Sputnik launched into space. And now, 1961, Yuri Gagarin and his flight into space, yes? The main dates in our history of science. Значит, 1957, Laika is on board, launched into space. Now Yuri Gagarin, everybody know him. Look through, 1961, yes? 1961. Yuri Alexeyevich was launched into space, запущен в космос. Так. Yuri Gagarin's flight opened the door into the universe. Universe, what is universe? Вселенная. Двери во Вселенную. Так. Билл Гейтс. Кто такой Билл Гейтс? Who knows him? Bill Gates. What was his inventions? His inventions with Microsoft company. Do you see? Microsoft company in 1975. He founded the American Microsoft company. And he is a billionaire. Billionaire это кто? Миллиардер. The first Microsoft company. Так, electronic computer at the University of Pennsylvania. Electronic computer in 1947. Так, Bill Gates now. Ну, это все, что уже надо сделать, подвести итоги. Summarize, please. Summarize. The law of gravitation. Name. Кто закон гравитации? Isaac Newton. Дальше. The nature of white light. Isaac Newton. The first scientific grammar of Russia. Mikhail. That's right. The light bulb. Thomas Edison. That's right. Radio. That's right. The electronic motor. Faraday. The theory of relativity. Теория относительности. Einstein. Albert Einstein. And the first cosmonaut. That's right. Лауда Мирзалиев. Юрий. Лауда, погромче. Лауда. Так, the bad points of science and technology. Плохие стороны, да? Disadvantages, bad points, destruction. The results of mass destruction. Результат массового поражения. Хиросима. Так. Many people were killed and wounded. Были убиты и ранены. Many people. And Nagasaki. Remember, please, the explosion in Hiroshima and Nagasaki.